They say that purpose is the reason we journey, and passion is the fire that lights our way. For most of us, we just want to do and experience something different. And most of all, see something new. Being able to come back with more than you actually had before you took off. For me, that's the main purpose. And I'm not talking about material things. I'm talking about more moments, more experience, and more friends. And that's what traveling does. It gives you more of life and more of you.
Cause I'm more than I'm meant. It just comes back. No. Sparkles, and I would take the action. Sparkles, and I would take the action.
Midway through your journey, while soaking in every experience, you realize that you're getting bigger and bigger, feeding your soul, and eventually become present in every single moment. These moments have now become a memory for me to keep forever, and no one can take them away from me. Now, it's your turn.